Good morning, kids. How are you all? It's story time. Yes. So, are you all excited and ready to have some fun and listen a wonderful story? Yes, I know you all are eagerly waiting for story time. Great. So, let's see what I have today for you all. Today we are going to listen a story about a caterpillar, the crunching, munching caterpillar. Yay! So you love caterpillars, right? Tiny, tiny, little caterpillars. So here is the story. Caterpillar was always hungry. For weeks, he crunched and munched his way through the fresh, juicy leaves of a blackberry bush. Okay, so caterpillar, here is a caterpillar, he's hungry, so he's crunching, munching the blackberry bush leaves, right? So he's enjoying the fresh, juicy green leaves of blackberry bush. One day, caterpillar was about to crunch into another leaf when what happened? So here you can see this fat little caterpillar enjoying the juicy green leaves, crunching and munching on the leaves. So he was about to crunch, he was about to take a bite of another leaf when suddenly what happened? Any guesses? Let me tell you. Bumblebee landed beside him. Bzzz. So this is Bumblebee and he's saying bzzz. Wow, said Caterpillar. See how surprised and happy he is. Wow, said Caterpillar. How did you get here? So he asked to Bumblebee, how did you get here? I have wings, said Bumblebee. Look. So Bumblebee showed her wings. Oh, I would like to some of those, said Caterpillar. So Caterpillar is now eager and wanted to have wings too. Why? Because he thought that flying is fun. It would be good if he can fly too. So he is very eager, he is very excited and seriously wish he should have wings because he wants to fly like Bumblebee and say bzzz. Right? Bumblebee flew up into the air and buzzed busily from flower to flower. So Bumblebee is very busy, right? And he's going from flower to flower saying bzzz, bzzz. I would love to fly like that, said Caterpillar. Well, you can't, said Bumblebee. You need wings to fly. I guess so, said Caterpillar. So Bumblebee is going here and there, and while seeing Bumblebee flying, Caterpillar thought, I should have wings. I want wings like that. So Bumblebee said that if you want to fly, you should have wings. So Caterpillar said, I know, I need wings for that. Bumblebee flew off to the next bush. Watching Bumblebee fly had made Caterpillar very hungry. So he crunched and he munched until it was time for bed. So crunch, munch, crunch, munch, crunch, munch. So he was just eating. And when he saw Bumblebee, he was feeling more hungry. He started feeling more hungry. So he ate a few more leaves and getting fat and fat. Right? So he's crunching, munching. And now it's time to go bed. And he is sleepy now. So he's yawning. Caterpillar woke to the sound of twittering birds swooped and soared in the early morning light. So he went to bed and now he got up early in the morning and he was listening sounds of birds chirping. Caterpillar was just about to start his breakfast. So here he's feeling hungry and he opened his mouth and he was about to take a bite of a leaf. When what happened? So here he is, such a big mouth, getting ready to have his breakfast. Again, green juicy leaves of bush, right? So what happened? Sparrow landed beside him. So here is the sparrow. He just landed beside the caterpillar. I would love to fly high in the air like that, said caterpillar. Now he saw a bird and he said that he wants to fly like a bird up high in the air. Well, you can't, said sparrow. So sparrow said, no, you can't fly. You need to be as light as the dandelion clock that floats on the breeze. I guess so, said caterpillar glumly. Now caterpillar is very sad. He wants wings. He wants to fly up in the sky, but he doesn't know how he can fly, right? So sparrow said he cannot fly because he has to be lighter. He has to float on the breeze. So he has to be lighter, like a feather, like a dandelion clock. So caterpillar is now very sad. Caterpillar carried on, crunch munching all day until the light began to dim. Crunch munch, crunch munch, crunch munch. So he's been feeling very sad and he's doing what? He's just feeling hungry and hungry and hungry, and so he's just eating and eating. Blackberry bush leaves. Yes, so he's just doing crunching munching, crunching munching. He wrapped a leaf around himself to keep warm. He was just about to go to sleep when. So here you can see this caterpillar very sad. He's feeling cold. So he just wrapped a leaf around himself so that he can keep warm. And he's very sad, he's tired, and he's about to sleep. When? Let's see what we have next. When a butterfly landed gracefully beside him. So here is this beautiful butterfly who landed very gracefully near the caterpillar. Oh, I wish I could fly like you, said caterpillar. Butterfly smiled a secret, knowing smile. Who knows? Perhaps one day you will fly light as a feather like me, she said. But now, little caterpillar, you should go to sleep. You look very tired. So here, when butterfly landed near the caterpillar, and again caterpillar wished that he should have wings. He wants to fly. He wish he has wings. So butterfly said, who knows that one day even you can fly, right? So she said that you are looking tired. You should sleep now. Go to bed. Perhaps one day even you will be able to fly like me. You will be light as a feather and you will be able to fly as and when you want. So here is the secret which this butterfly knows but caterpillar doesn't know. Butterfly was right. Caterpillar suddenly felt very sleepy. As butterfly flew off into the night sky, he fell into a deep sleep. So here he is sleeping. Butterfly was right. He was feeling tired. He wants to sleep. So he went into a deep sleep. So he's sleeping very calmly here. Caterpillar slept all through the winter and his sleep was filled with dreams. He dreamed he had wings and was soaring above the tall trees. So here this caterpillar is dreaming. He is enjoying his sleep and he is enjoying his flight. He is enjoying that he is flying up in the sky. He has wings and he can go up on the trees and can fly freely up in the sky. So this is all the dream of a caterpillar. He dreamed he was a dandelion clock drifting towards the sun. He dreamed he was as light as a feather floating on the breeze. So whatever the bumblebee, the bird or the butterfly said to him, he is dreaming all those things. He's dreaming that he's like a dandelion clock. He's light as a feather. He has wings. He's very light. Now he can float in the air. Now he can fly in the air. When Caterpillar woke up, he felt the warmth of the spring sun. He was stiff on his long sleep, but he did not feel very hungry. He stretched and stretched. So when he woke up in the warmth of the spring sun, he is feeling little stiffness, okay? But he is not feeling hungry anymore. So he tried to come out. He just stretched and stretched, okay? So he's struggling come out. He wants to come out of all this, right? So he's moving his legs here and there and trying to come out. And a breeze lifted Caterpillar into the air. So as and when he comes out of the cocoon, a breeze just lifted him into the air. He was no longer short and plump. He had wings. Great, big, wonderful, beautiful butterfly wings. Wow, said young butterfly. I am flying. I am really flying. So now after a while, that small caterpillar, that fatty caterpillar who was just feeling hungry, who was just eating leaves of the bush, is now a butterfly. He has become a butterfly now, and now he's happy. He's so happy that he has wings and he can actually fly up in the air, right? So with this, we can see how the beautiful dream of a caterpillar comes true when he becomes a butterfly. Okay, now I have an activity for you. Okay, so we are going to make a life cycle of a butterfly. Here I have this circle. Okay, I'm going to divide it in 4 parts. So with the help of the scale, we will divide it in 4 parts. And with this, we will learn the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, so first of all, what happened? A butterfly lays eggs on a leaf. Okay, so here I am making a leaf. You too, on your sheet, on your circle, make a leaf. Okay, then you can color it with crayon or pencil color, or you can just paste it, or if you want, you can just take green chart paper, cut it into leaf shape and then paste it here. Okay, okay, so here is the leaf. Now with the help of the clay, I'm going to make eggs of butterfly. Okay, so we can take white. If you don't have white, you can take some other color. That's perfectly fine. Okay, so first of all, what happened? Butterfly lays egg on a leaf, right? This is the first stage. So we can write first stage. Okay, eggs. These are butterfly eggs. Okay, now from the eggs, the caterpillar comes out. Okay, now with the help of the different colored clay, we can make a caterpillar. Just take tiny small clay, roll it, and then make a caterpillar, right? You can take any color. If you want, you can take only one color, make small balls and make a caterpillar. Okay, so from eggs caterpillar comes out, right? So this is the caterpillar. Okay, now with the help of this stick we can make eyes of caterpillar. Okay, this is the second stage, when caterpillar comes out of egg, right? Now what happened? Caterpillar eat leaves, okay, and after some time it goes into a cocoon. It makes a cocoon around himself, okay. So for this I have this stick, okay, and with this crepe paper I am going to make a cocoon. So what you can do, crush it and make a ball, okay, and then keep a ball in this, wrap it, okay, like this, and here we can tie it, okay. So with the help of the thread I am going to tie it. Like this. Okay, so caterpillar stays inside the cocoon. Okay, so this is the third stage, when we have cocoon. Okay, so here I am going to write third stage. Cocoon, right? So this is the third stage. Now after the cocoon, when caterpillar stays there in cocoon, the butterfly, the beautiful butterfly comes out, right? So but for butterfly I have this peg, okay, and one origami sheet. So you all know how to make a fan. So we are going to make a fan, okay. Turn it like this, then turn it, fold it, turn it and fold it, right? Turn it, fold it, turn it, fold it. So this way we make a fan and we will make a butterfly out of it. Do you want to know how? Let me show you. Okay. So this is the butterfly. Now with the help of the pipe cleaner, we can make antennas of butterfly. Take it, turn it from one side like this. Turn it from other side and then okay, so here we have this beautiful butterfly. Right? So this is the fourth stage, right? So we can write fourth stage here when we have a butterfly. Right? So first of all, a butterfly lays egg on leaf. Then out of those eggs, caterpillars come out. They just eat leaves, and then they make a cocoon around themselves. They stayed there for a long time, and after that cocoons, butterflies come out. Right. So this is the life cycle of a butterfly, and we heard a wonderful story of a caterpillar who dreams to have wings, wants to fly up in the sky, and his dream comes true one day, right? When he actually becomes a beautiful butterfly. Right, kids? I hope you like this story. You can also make this beautiful life cycle of a butterfly and enjoy. Bye-bye, kids. Have fun.